When you come to the National RV Training Academy, you'll see a building, tables and chairs, appliances, frames, and RVs. You'll see instructors, training assistants, and staff. But if you look really close, behind everything we've built, there's you.
I'm Tony Clark with Ron Hoover RV and Marine. I'm the Vice President of Operations. What these guys are providing, whether it be mobile or whether it be coming to work for a dealer or just something that you're looking to do, this is the head start that you need.
The NRVTA is working together with you to improve the RV industry and help ambitious people find jobs that they can excel at. Our partnership with NTP Stag and the TRVA has allowed us to be more successful than we could have been alone. Because of your support, we are now the only TWC licensed RV technical career school in the country. Because of NTP Stag, we have more hands-on equipment than any other school in the country, allowing us to graduate more qualified technicians and inspectors. We've also been able to use our partnership with NTP Stag to help people who need a second chance.
It was because of NTP Stag that I was able to get a scholarship, and I'm extremely thankful for the opportunity in front of me.
My name is Jay Vari. I'm with the Medic Service. We are actually starting a division, and we chose as a company to come to this school to learn as much as we could with hands-on experience.
The TRVA has endorsed the National RV Training Academy as their official training facility, and we're here to say thank you. Our goal is to improve the customer experience and in turn increase sales across the board. Together, we are your Texas-based National RV Training Academy.